We'll guide you through how to add a line in the header or footer or both in Word. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in a Microsoft Word document, and so for whatever reason you want to go and add in a line in the header or the footer, it can be a great addition to go and add it, showing the start and the end. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip anything, as otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what we need to do is we can go and double click where you want to go and start or which one you want to go and add. So I'm going to go and double click at the top here and the header opens. It will also open the footer as well. So you could click down there as well. I want to do this in the header for now though. Now what we need to do is come to the top and find the option for design. So you can go and click there in the ribbon. Head over to the right and you want to go and find the option for page borders like so. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the top left and go and press borders like so. Go on the left and you want to go and choose custom. You can then go and choose the style. I like a solid line, but you could go and add a broken one or different effects as you can see. And you can then go and choose the color. And you can also go and choose the width. And you can then go and click where you want it, whether you want it on the side, the top or bottom, or you want them all as well. I just want them at the bottom of the header. You may want it at the top if you're doing this in the footer, by the way. And then you can go and press OK. And as you can see, the line's been added. You can then scroll down and click in the footer and go and repeat, or you can just leave it as it is in the header. So for the footer, I'm going to go and click at the top here, then go and press OK. And that's it. I'll double click back in the document and you've added it at the top and then the bottom.